Doing the water pump. Come down here and pull this line off. Drain the coolant first. After you do that first one, you want to come over here. Disconnect this. Just a little clip. Disconnect it on the top here. And then you're going to pull this line right here. Separate it. And you get a bunch more coolant out of both sides. This is obviously just going to dump straight out. And you have to take your intake off and get down into here. And you want to take this clip off, and that clip off. And if you just push this little nub over, then it comes right out. And we're going to pull these 3 lines, that one, and this small feed line here. You take these 3 lines off, then you have 2 more, one there. That one right there. Maybe 5 T30s. You gotta take this wiring loom off of this little clip here to get it off. Just kind of pull it out, it slides out. Yeah, you're gonna have to pull the belt cover. So I'm gonna take the evap port off, get to that bolt back here. And now we got room to get to that bolt. These are all still T30s. That's a T30. Pull this cover off, get this out. Yeah, it should look like this now. Just be able to lift this off the belt, just like that. You go, Diego. There's your trans plate and lines. It's the only time you're ever gonna see this again, hopefully. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is take the belt off here, put it on the bottom pulley first, and then get it in close, wrap it around the top, and then use this bolt here as your lineup. It's going to be your easiest one. You're going to line it up and feed that in, and then now you're just going to put it back together. Put the cam cover back on, just slip it straight down over the top. Those are pretty easy. 2 bolts back in, and I'm putting the PCV back in and put all the lines on. And then you're gonna put your wiring loom back on, put your hoses back on. Remember, the one on top goes on the right, just like that. And then we have just that little feed line left, and you're done.